Oops, not a picture. Okay. Hello everyone and welcome back to Kayla's Corner. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I achieved this soft glam makeup look. So if you're interested in seeing, stay tuned. First, I'm going to be going in with a primer on some clean skin. This is the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. It's supposed to make your pores look smaller. This is my first time using this primer, and honestly, I didn't see a difference in my pores. I'm going to give it another go and see what it does, but I did want to just throw that in there.
Smart speaker, TV, gaming console.
Really? After I've allowed the primer to sit for a few minutes, I'm going to go in with an LA Girl concealer that's close to my skin tone and just apply that to the areas of my face that have dark spots. And this is going to help my foundation have a more smoother and clean look. I'm not going to walk you all through how I do my eyebrows because I already have a video out on how I do them. So after this video ends, feel free to go over there and check that video out. Okay, you guys, so I am going to be trying an eyeshadow look. Now, let me tell you, before you try to judge me, I am not a pro at doing my eyeshadow, okay? I am still learning. So I'm going to try to do something really basic because, one, this is a soft glam look. Two, it's easier to start with neutral colors first. And then three, I did try to test the waters with colors off camera before, and it wasn't the best. So I'm going to try to go with neutral colors first and, you know, practice my way up from there. But before applying the shadow, I am priming with a concealer for a clear base and then a more pigmented look. And then after that, you want to tap the concealer in instead of with a powder, which I did forget to do. This is a palette that I got off of Amazon. Like I said, I'm going to be using neutral colors, so I'm going to be taking that lighter brown, and then later in the video I do go in and add a darker brown, but I am working with the browns today.
Keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. Amazing gold is eyes, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm pushing put you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. Are you bad enough to sin? I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you, want you, want you. And okay, I've been running circles all the time, but I want you, want you, want you.
Alright, so I don't know if you all can tell, but I did go back and add some color to the top of my eyebrows. I feel like you can see a little bit better now. I went in and added this brown in my crease, and I just added some more of the shimmer brown that I used originally to the lid. And now we can get started with the foundation. Oops, not a picture. Okay.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it's that. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You want it honest.
I didn't put no eyeliner on. What? Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I went and did something with my hair to give you the full effect, honey. And I am still working on my eyeshadow, so don't judge me, okay? I'm pretty sure I said it in the voiceover somewhere. But yeah, I think it's a pretty simple look. Honestly, this is kind of what I go for because it's easy for me to do, and yeah, I like neutral colors, and I think it turned out really cute. My hair is popping. Video should be coming out Sunday, so stay tuned so you all can see how I did that. But yeah, I really like this look, and you should try it. If you try it, leave a comment down below and let me know how it went. Alright you guys, while I'm feeling myself, I just want to close this video out. As always, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go, and I'll see and talk to you all in my next one.